Looks like this bottom piece is going to come out. I'm going to do it without breaking it. I do like my camera. Looks like that's holding in the screen. So far I've just pulled out the 3 screws. Get the bottom plate off. And seems like one of the 3 screws is definitely holding us in. Just gonna pry around a little bit, see what happens. Yeah, I didn't see any videos on this on YouTube. Figured this would be a great shot to get something apart. Ooh, there we go, there's something new. Little side cover just pulls right off. I'll do that again. Now, some more screws. I'm really interested in getting the screen out, so I'm going to take out the obvious screws first, which is going to be both of them. We're making some progress here. I'm sure there's some more screws on the top of this. Gotta figure out how to get this apart. And we're left with more screws. There's 2 on the side. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever ripped into this phone. I'm sorry, camera. I've done plenty of iPhone repairs. And I really wasn't wanting to buy a brand new camera at the moment. I don't know if there's any screws underneath these stickers. Just run my fingernail down them to see if there's any little indentation left behind where a screw might be hidden. This little guy's just real thin. I didn't want to break anything. I'd like to get this top cover off, but I'm not seeing how to get it off. These buttons, don't know how that's on there. Somebody's going to be the pioneer in getting this thing apart. I can see the screen, I'm getting close. Instead of boring everybody, I'm going to put this on pause or whatever and play with it. Get it apart.